What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to set up a posts page or a blog and a front page or the home page of your site. So imagine the following scenario. You did make an amazing page to be the first page of your site or home page. How to let WordPress knows that this page is your home page. So if anyone clicks into your root domain, into your site domain, the first page that they see gonna be your home. And how to set this page to be your home? First thing to do, it's of course hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to use internet on our site's favor. So let's get this started. I'm gonna start at the point that you already have made your page. If not, nothing to worry, just go to YouTube and search for Visual Modo plus how to build page, and you're gonna learn how to do your page. After this, after having your pages made, move to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over settings, and now we have a submenus: general, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks, privacy. Go to reading, and from here your home page displays a static page. Select the below. Now the home page, you can select any page that you have made on your site to be your home page. If you have titled your page as home when you created your page, select home and you are good to go. Save change. Now imagine that you would like to have a page to be your blog. First, you're going to need to create this page. So go to pages, click on add new, type a title for this page. In my case, it's going to be blog, and hit the publish button. Page published, Now go back to the WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over settings, and click on reading submenu. Now into posts page, click on select, and select the page that we just have created, the blog. Save change. Now, if you go to our blog page, independently if it does not have any content inside of it, we have not made any content, so we just have created an empty page and named it as blog. We have set it up to be our posts page. So if I go to this, I'm gonna be able to see all of the posts present on my site, And if I hit the site domain, the raw domain, I'm gonna see the home page. Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg. Or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, that is a CSS gallery to promote your site, your app, your landing page, or your game. And or visualmodo.com. In the case you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to your entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites for every single business style that you can import with a single click, in addition for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more pro features to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!